Jennifer Bennett, I think I'm in love with this question. How can we examine, then push ourselves to move forward toward our talent and potential? Okay. I think about, I'm going to just, I hope you don't mind, I'm going to use myself as an analogy because this is how I think about how you all pull me toward figuring out how to max out my talent and my potential. Okay. I sat down a long while ago and I thought about my why. And I and if you're in my boot camp, I kind of lay this out for you. It hasn't really changed much. And I talk about in my evolution in my career, I helped companies and I also helped people as a consultant. Then I became a recruiter because my why was dragging me toward focusing more on what I wanted to do, which was help people and help them secure better jobs, help them guide them in their careers, which is then evolved into a career coach. And what I think about is I want to make such a positive impact on many people and not just some people. So when I was a recruiter, if I was helping 25 to 50 people change jobs in a year, and that was great, that was still only 50 people or 25 people or somewhere in between, right? A person a week or a person every other week or whatever it might be. But I thought about what is it that I need to do to reach more people? I feel like my experience could benefit, all your experience could benefit people. All right. So believe me, the intersection between what you know and what somebody else knows is microscopic. You think it's a canyon, but it's this big, not this big. And so I said, okay, what skills is it going to take for me to reach 100 million people, 1 billion people? I want to be everybody's one-stop shop for everything career related. How can I do that? What are the steps I need to take? Well, the first thing that I need to do in order to reach more lives is help them with an acute problem. Job searching. If they don't have the right job or they don't enjoy their job or they don't have a job, that's a really bad problem. And I want to build relationships with them through what? Ongoing help, teaching, and so on. And then I looked at, well, what are all the mediums that I could deliver? The books, the blog, the videos, new books, and so on. And so what I started to look at was, why do I think I'm here? Like, I want to help these people. I genuinely believe that. I can help a lot of people. And so if I'm going to help a lot of people, I work backwards. What's that going to take? Well, if I want to help people, some people want to read it. Some people want to listen to it. Some people want to watch it, right? Some people want, right? Whatever it is. What are the mediums they want? I do not like talking through a camera. I would rather be sitting in the same room with you, right? But I'm not letting my discomfort with talking through a camera prevent me from accomplishing what I believe that you want and need, right? And why I was put on this earth. So I'm gonna have to learn that. Okay, well, I'll figure it out and I'll just keep practicing and I'll practice and practice and practice. And then I'll write. And wait, hang on a second. I have to have book writing skills, email copywriting skills, social media copywriting skills, and so on. What are all the skills I need to build? All right, well, some of them you're going to absolutely need to become an ace at, and some of them you're going to need to learn to a certain level, and others you need to know enough and then get help or whatever, meaning hire somebody or whatever it is. And so I think about, in order to make what I want happen, what does it take? And then that's the goal. And then what skills do I need to build in order to be able to do this? As a matter of fact, this is really great because this morning I literally was writing this plan for you, meaning I was putting an example development plan to do exactly what Jennifer is asking this morning. This is the last part of the book that is, I'm like 100 or 200 words left about what it's going to take. And this is exactly what I mean. So the book that I opened up the package with today, this is exactly what it's about. How do you do this? And how do you figure that out? And then how do you work backwards? And then how do you measure and watch your progress? Because a lot of you are making progress, but you don't know you're making progress because you don't take the time to reflect and look and see how far you've come because you only think about the gap and the hole, about what the delta is between where you are and where you think you should be. Instead of, wow, how far have I come? How much, what else can I be doing? And then enjoying that whole journey. This is complicated. This isn't easy. No, this is not natural to think through. This is why this book is so hard to write. So I love, 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 love that question. And I hope I hope you get the book. I hope you join the leadership program. The book is the leadership program, and kind of what I showed really quickly for Tracy, and all those assets and videos, and there's booklets and training program and everything in there. The book is a book version of that, in as much as I could fit in the limited number of words that the publisher gave me that I had to basically fit the book into. And so, this is why I'm so pumped about this. So I hope that helps. That's a really great question. I love that you asked. Thank you for that.